Okay, I'm back to the front wall, which now means I only got about 12 feet more to go, and I'll be able to come in from the front, which is where I really need to come from. Some of these are still good. They're sitting on this big square. It's got to be a foot square, big log foot square. That log is probably sitting on rocks, and all this is just built up over time, or the rock has sunk, because they would never have put it in the dirt. Not here. We just have termites too bad, but dust and wind and dirt will fill up underneath a building to where it's up level with the floor of the house or whatever. So I got about 3 left to pull out. This is the one with the where the roof joists go, and I'll pull these out. This should fall down, which means then I'll be able to get underneath there and get those out, and then I can start on that other side. It's the other side, at least I should have some working room. It'd be a little easier, I think. It's crushed down just as much, but I should have some working room.